that today I want to address pulley wobble. It's pretty excessive to me on off idle. It does wobble quite a bit. And I drove this thing. I had a engine vibration. So I want to see if it's just the pulley or the balancer as well. Usually the balancer, the rubber goes. But I thought the rubber looked good, so we're going to investigate that today. Balancer is going to be okay. I'll show you. Here's what I found. I wouldn't say that's excessive. Looking at the lens, it's not normal. The rubber looks good. That's the rubber there. It's all cracked and oozing out. Putting a little RPM what it does. Oh, there you are. Alright to me, but here's the problem. Here's the pulley, and it's broken off. The hub right there. We're getting a wobble. Let's see if I can find a replacement. I cleaned it up to get a better look at it. It's yeah, that's my wobble. I'm gonna have to fit it back in place. Maybe I can do something for now, but probably just gonna have to get a new pulley assembly. And why that happened? This is, maybe we should clean up that little filing right there. This is a 307. Originally this truck had a 454. Don't think that would be off of the 454 if they tried to adapt or something. So, getting a lot of orange paint coming off. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to fit it back on, see if I can find one. Maybe Summit has like just a generic 3-pulley. Know what that is? Yeah, I want 3-pulley because I'm gonna get my air conditioning. I'm gonna get a compressor and get this AC working again. Yay, the sun came out. Now I'm cooking my back in the sun. And that black shirt that I chose to wear. I found these 2 nuts on the ground, which tells me the harmonic balancer bolts are stripped and they had nuts on the backside. Yeah, so that's awesome. I could probably have a tap and die for these. Or do I get a balancer too? I'm going to turn the truck around so I'm not burning. Let's see if that made it any better. Little wobble mess. Goes away at RPM. Oh well. So yeah, you would need a pulley. Balancer screws are stripped. Oh, the beauty of backyard hacks. 46 years of them. Oh well, we'll see what I want to do.